In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Steam games from one PC to another. We'll use Steam's built-in backup and restore features, which make it easy to move large games without re-downloading everything. This is especially helpful if you're moving to a new computer or freeing up bandwidth. Start on the computer that currently has the game installed. Open Steam and go to your library so you can see your list of games. Find the game you want to move, then right-click it to open the context menu. Hover over Manage and choose Backup Game Files. This opens Steam's Backup Wizard, which packages the game into backup files that can be restored on another PC. When the wizard appears, your selected game should already be checked. Continue, then click Browse to pick where you want to save the backup. Choose a destination with enough free space. An external hard drive, a large USB drive, or a local folder you plan to copy to your other PC are all fine. For big titles, expect the backup to take up a lot of space and some time to complete. Once you've chosen the location, proceed and click Create Backup. Keep Steam open and let it run until it finishes. You can continue using your PC, but avoid closing Steam or putting the computer to sleep during this process. When the backup completes, move to your other PC. Make sure you can access the backup files there, either by plugging in the drive you used or by accessing the folder where you stored the backup. Open Steam on the new PC and sign in with your account. At the top left, click the Steam menu, then choose Restore a Game Backup. This tells Steam you want to import a game from the backup you just created. In the Restore window, browse to the folder that contains your backup and select it. Follow the prompts to start restoring. Steam will unpack the files and place the game into your library. Depending on the game and your setup, Steam may verify files or download small updates at the end. That's normal and usually takes much less time than a full download. After the restore finishes, you'll see the game in your library and can launch it like normal. If the game supports Steam Cloud, your saves should sync automatically after you sign in. If a particular game stores saves locally and doesn't use the cloud, you may need to transfer those separately. But for most modern titles, Steam handles it. And that's it. You've successfully moved a Steam game from one PC to another using backup and restore, saving both time and bandwidth.